What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Sticker Teacher. I hope you are doing fantastic. In this video, I'm going to teach you positions in Vietnamese. These words are positional words or prepositions that tell you where something is. Super helpful, right? So, let's get started. Trên, 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 trên. Dưới, 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 dưới. Trong, 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 trong. Ngoài, 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 ngoài. So let's review what we have learned so far. I know it's not easy for most people to remember a new word in a foreign language. But if you can't remember a word, just simply watch my video again and again. Trên, dưới, trong, ngoài. Hold on. When you make a sentence, always remember to use the magic word before a positional word. It's the rule. For example, Ariana ở trên cái hộp. Ariana ở dưới cái hộp. Ariana ở trong cái hộp. Ariana ở ngoài cái hộp. It's very simple, isn't it? Okay, next. Trước, 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 trước. Sau, 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 sau. Bên cạnh, bên cạnh, bên cạnh, bên cạnh, bên cạnh. Trước, sau, bên cạnh. Bên trái, bên trái, bên trái, bên trái, bên trái. Bên phải, bên phải, bên phải, bên phải. Giữa, 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 giữa. Sweet. Giữa. Bên trái. Bên phải. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you find my video helpful, don't be shy to hit the like, share and subscribe buttons. Ciao và hẹn gặp lại.